Do you know how to install Power BI? Today I am going to show you how to download and install Power BI on your PC or laptop. So open Google Chrome and type Power BI download. You can see here the first link, download Microsoft Power BI. Just click there and you can see here Microsoft Power BI desktop application. So you can select the language as well. So I will select the language for English and I will click download. So you can see here the file is downloading. Once the file download, you can install directly Power BI on your laptop or desktop. So just open the page and you can see the Power BI. Just right click and run as administrator. You can see here, click next, next, accept the terms and click next, next, create a desktop shortcut, yes, install. So wait until installation finish. This is the officially Microsoft providing the Power BI application for the desktop version. So you can install in your PC and you can run the Power BI. You can see the dashboards, you can see the limited features. If you want more features, you must purchase the license for Power BI. So you can freely view the Power BI files. You can see here the Power BI shortcut is created on your desktop. You can see here launch the Microsoft Power BI desktop. If you click finish, it will open automatically. You will click finish, so it will open automatically. You can see the dashboard of Power BI. If you have the Power BI file, you can open directly from here. So these are the simple steps to install Power BI desktop version. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.